everybody. This is my THEDocDrift Nagao Togue challenge. We are going to give this a try. I decided to make it even a little harder on myself by using a crown pick. Yeah. I don't know how this is gonna go. Probably bad. But we are going to see. Loading it up right now. Shortly, guys will see drop into the Nagao Togue road and torture myself. Because apparently I'm a glutton for punishment. Alright, here we are. Let me change my view. So, should be able to see this crown pick I'm driving. Yeah, and as most of you guys know, I tend to drift in third person. I used to be an avid dashboard dude, but creating videos is not so much fun in the dashboard, so I started doing third person. Got really used to it, but yeah. So not only am I using a crown pick, but I'm also going to do it in first person. So I'm just gonna say on a whim I'm probably gonna crash 6 times. Doc is amazingly smooth on his G920. I mean, his car is super dialed. Not gonna say he has a lot of miles on a car or anything like that. That dude can just drive his ass off. And so me, I'm gonna try to drive my ass off. It's not gonna be the prettiest thing, but let's give it a shot, guys. Let's do it. You're probably gonna see me get into my whole focus face. I tend to do that a lot. Start biting my lip and stuff. We're gonna see how this goes. If I stop talking, you already know why. Oh my goodness, does that count as a crash? Spun a little bit. Wall tap. No one has to know. Oh. Yikes. Let's just pretend none of that happened and start from here. Understeer. And brakes it up. Smash that wall. This Togue road has like those Takumi gutters for like the 86. Bad thing is, they're deep. You put a tire in that thing, it's gonna swing your car if you don't hit it just perfectly. So with a big ass bolt like this, I'm going to try to avoid dropping a tire into them. I'm sure you can hear the struggle in my voice. It should be in second right now. Car park a little. We're gonna throw this. So that's the first really big crash there. Once again, let's pretend that it happened. I'm just going to drive straight through here so I don't kill myself. Wall tap. Side of a mountain and saved by the mouse side. So big crash number 2 or 3, I don't remember. No one has to know. Yikes. Yeah, just hit one of those gutters. Luckily, I hit it the right way. Alright. Breather. Woo! Alright, here we go. One-handed handbrake transition right now. That's pretty cool. Oh, almost died there. That was close. I think my tire hit the rock here. I heard a little thump. Holy shit, it's the finish line. Woo! I did it! I did it! It's over and done with. Thank Lord Jesus. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy that. Give it a like and a sub.